Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to fix can't install Facebook Messenger on Android phone via Play Store. Let's start it. First of all, you need to download SDK platform tools. I will put the download link in the description. Simply download it and unzip the platform tool and save it on your PC. Now on your phone, you need to turn on developer option. Simply go to settings, then open about phone. Then open software information, then hit 6 times on build number to turn on developer option. Once developer options is enabled in your Android device, simply open it and then just enable the USB debugging option and then simply connect your phone to the PC and hit allow on your phone.
Addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart.
Now open the platform tool unzip folder on your PC. Then just write CMD in the top bar and hit enter. It will open command prompt. Now in command prompt, we need to write some commands. I will put the commands list in the description. Simply write the first command and hit enter. It will show you the list of your connected device. Once you see your connected device in the command prompt, then simply write the second command and hit enter. Then it will show you all your packages list in the command prompt. Once you see the packages list in the command prompt, now hold Ctrl+F on your PC. It will bring find bar in the command prompt. Now simply write Facebook and hit next. Then it will show you all Facebook packages list. The Facebook Messenger package name is ending with Orca. Now just copy the last command and hit enter. You can even skip the finding package list command and directly write the last command to uninstall Messenger package from your phone.
I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted.
Once you write and hit the last command, then you will see a success message will appear in the command prompt. That's it. Now you will able to install Facebook Messenger via Play Store. Now go to Play Store and install the Messenger. You will see it will be installed properly without any error.
You don't understand the pain it brings.
Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Keep supporting and don't forget to subscribe.